Have you ever wondered if you could just sit back, relax and see your money grow doing the work for you? Basically, most of you probably know about Forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, and a lot of different other markets that you can trade, the stocks, even options, right? So there's a lot of things that you can trade out there, but basically Bitsgap is changing the game by offering new automated trading systems, right? So tried and proven strategies that actually work, that have been put into AI bots. So basically automated trading, artificial intelligence being put to work, your money working for you 24/7 non-stop in an automated market, right? So this just takes out all the emotions that come in with when it comes to trading, whether it's trading Forex, options or cryptocurrencies, right? So in this video, I'm actually going to be giving you a quick introduction to Bitsgap and what it's all about and how you can make use of it to actually grow your money, right? Instead of just having your money sitting around in the bank, not earning you anything that is, tangible, right? So quick introduction to Bitsgap, and Bitsgap is an automated trading platform that you can get. As you can see, these are the most features that they offer over here. You got trading, bots, and then signals, as well as arbitrage. So I'm actually pretty interested in the arbitrage part of this trading platform over here, but basically you can come around and take a look at what you're actually interested in the most, right? So as you can see, this is actually a demo account. So they have a demo account to show you what you can expect on this platform and how it works, so that you can get used to the way it works and everything. So if I go to the bots section over here and open it in a new tab, you can see that right now I actually have a position that I just opened right now, so that the bot can get started with the work, right? So basically there are different types of strategies that have been built into this, right? So you choose the strategy over here under simple, or you can go to the advanced section. Under the advanced section you can also choose, and then basically on the advanced section you have a bit more control on what is going on. Here it's more like presets, right? So you choose a strategy, but then it's more simplified in a simple way that anybody can understand, right? And then you choose your exchange over here on which you want to have these trades being executed, right? So the best part about this platform is that you do not push your money onto the platform, right? So you actually have it in your exchanges, and these are the exchanges that they actually support, right? So using APIs, your money will always be in your account, and basically they'll be just trading on your behalf, right? They are trading on your behalf. It's not like account management that you see on Instagram and all those platforms where people are actually stealing your money by you send them your money and then you never get anything back, right? So here you are in full control of your money. Your money is in your account. They're just trading on your behalf using what we call the APIs, right? So the APIs connections are basically the ones that should be that are being used on this platform. And when you set up your APIs, you have control of whether you can allow them to make any withdrawals, or they're just there to place trades for you on your behalf, right? So these are the exchanges. You got this, you got Bitfinex, Xmo, Kraken, Coinbase Pro. I think this is the most familiar ones. You got this one, you got KuCoin, HitBTC, also another major one over here, and Binance. So as you can see, these are the major ones that you can actually make use of, right? So you would also need to fund all these accounts with some type of cryptocurrency. So as you can see on all of these, there's actually Bitcoins. So there are Bitcoins over here, but basically when it comes to trading, you will notice that when you want to trade, let's say a pair over here, so you have to actually choose something that you have. So let's say if you actually have Ethereum on one of these coin on Binance, for example, let's use Binance, and I want to trade maybe BNB with Ethereum over there, and I want to start this bot. If I start over here, you'll notice that since I do not have Ethereum on this balance, it will tell me that I can actually not start that trade, right? So this is where you need to be careful on what type of cryptocurrency that you're actually having. But in the same sense is that, well, let's say you fund your account with actually just Bitcoin, but then you want to trade this, you can actually go to your trading account and then on your Binance coin. So let's say it's on Binance, right? So you go to Binance and then you go to BTC with Ethereum, and then you can exchange it, right? So you can exchange your Bitcoin into Ethereum so that you'll be able to come back here and actually place that trade and then allow the bot to do the trades on your behalf, right? So here you'll be able to monitor everything what is going on, and then even on your account, if you, let's say you go back to binance.com and then you log into your account, you also see what is actually going on, what is the bot doing, right? What is the bot doing on your behalf. So that is one way to make use of this platform. So with the bots, fully automated trading. And then you have the signals, right? So the signals, that means you actually have to do it yourself, right? You receive a signal and then you can go trade it. So that is just how the signals part work. And then the other feature, which is the arbitrage. So I think I've done quite a few number of videos showing you what is arbitrage and what it's all about, right? So this platform over here makes it easier in the sense that you actually have you just set up your accounts, and then it will automatically do the arbitrage trades for yourself. So as you can see, this is just some quick history exchanges that have just happened over here. As you can see, 0.41% growth over here, just, you know, is fully automated. Here's a 2% growth on your account at 1.29%. So it just depends on the opportunity and how much of the cryptocurrency that you have over there. So as you can see, this is actually ETC with Bitcoin, which has been done on using the KuCoin and the Binance, the two exchanges, right? So with crypto arbitrage, basically you make use of two exchanges, right? So you buy it low on one cryptocurrency and then sell it for a higher price on the other one, making the difference in between as your profit, right? That's what you keep as your profit. So in this sense, you actually need to be able to have ETC on your KuCoin account and then Bitcoin on your OKX account, or whatever the account is over there, right? So let's say you have ETC over here, and then you buy it, you buy BTC using ETC over there, or you buy BTC using ETC, depending on what the what's the opportunity is available on the other exchange, right? So let's say here you bought the Zen coin for $1, and then you go sell it for $2 over here, and then you transfer back to this account. You have made, basically your BTC has grown by 2 times, right? So that is basically what is happening. As you can see right now, this is a whopping 4% that just happened over there. That is a big percentage growth in terms of trading. I mean, 4% is really big, right? That is what Bitsgap is all about, and I'm going to be making some more videos explaining more in detail on what you can expect or to do on Bitsgap, and what you can basically how you can grow your money, right? So you're in full control of your cryptocurrencies. That's what I like about Bitsgap, and I'm going to be showing you a bit more in detail what you can expect to do on this platform, right? And how you can make use of it. So if you're enjoying this type of content, let me know in the comments down below, and let me know what you want to know more about these platforms, what I should reveal to you. Basically, just leave a comment down below what you think about it and so forth, any questions that you might have, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Or maybe in the next videos I can actually put make those into topics for the next videos on this Bitsgap platform over here. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and then I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.